Hey guys, it's Hannah, and today I wanted to do an unboxing of the Inky box. So this is an art subscription box. It's my first one for this month. So I'm actually going to become an ambassador for this box from July to December. So I wanted to kind of give you my first impressions of this box, seeing as how it's my first month. So the first things first is the box itself is really cool. I love the color and the time that she took to actually letter my name on the box. I've been waiting for a couple days to open this because I want to film it, but I'm really anxious to get inside, so let's dig in. So let's open this up. So the first thing that I see is the card for what's inside the Inky box. So we get a Hydrocolor watercolor dot card. We get the Kuretake Zig Brush 20 water brush, the Prima watercolor paper pad, mixing palette, Tombow dual brush pens. So we get 2 of those, 2 Winsor Newton Cotton watercolors, Finetech pearlescent water pan. And then we get 2 different cards by different artists, and we get practice sheets. One thing I forgot to mention in the beginning is if you are interested in getting a subscription to this box, you can use the code BETTER15 to get 15% off your first subscription. So if you like what you see in this box and you think you want to do it for next month, definitely sign up, use the code, get 15% off. Let's dig in. So I'm actually like super excited for all of this stuff. Like, subscription boxes just make me really happy and excited. And all of the stuff in here is stuff that I cannot wait to use. So this is the little watercolor paper. This is adorable. Like, they're little pocket sizes. There's so many different things you can use for this. So this is the Prima watercolor. So I already have some of the Prima watercolor pans and I really like those. So we'll see how the watercolor paper holds up. Next up is this little mini watercolor palette. This will be really cute. I'll put my watercolors in here. So this is actually kind of nice for traveling. Doesn't have a cover or anything, but it'll be pretty cool. This is the water brush. I have a couple water brushes already. I do not have a water brush by Kuretake yet, so I'll be interested to find out how it compares to the ones that I do have. Then we have a red and a blue watercolor. Now, reminds me of the 4th of July. Not sure if that was planned or not, but we got red and blue. And this is actually one of my favorite watercolor brands. I am slowly building up my collection, so this will be great. And then next we have the Finetech pearlescent color. This is a beautiful color. I'm not sure if you can see that shimmer in this light, but it's absolutely beautiful. So this one, I think it's called Mystic Color. I do not have this one yet, so I'll be interested to see what it looks like. And then this one I'm also very excited about. So this is the Hydrocolor paint card. These are beautiful colors. Like, look at these. So we have like a pink or magenta, I would call it. We got purple, green, and blue, and the shimmer in these, wow. I really want to see what they look like on paper. The colors are called Jazzy Berry, Pandora, Spearmint, and Neptune Blue. If you're interested in these and you like the colors, these are the ones that you should order. And then I've got this card. Awesome. And I'm afraid I'm going to pronounce this wrong, but it looks like Alyssa, yeah, I don't know. Anyway, if you're interested in following her on Instagram or her website, here it is. I'm not going to attempt to pronounce it. but really cute card, especially if you're into having a card for every occasion. And then we have another card. And they are both blank inside, so you can write whatever you want. Very awesome. Okay. And then I got two Tombow colors. I have number 665 and number 723, so we have a pink and a purple. And then for the actual practice sheets, if you got this box, you would download it online. It gives you like a link and everything on the back of the insert. So the Inky box subscription is $39.95. My personal opinion is that all of this stuff is worth it. Part of the draw for me is I think it's cool to have a surprise each month. I get really excited to try out new things. Like I said, I've never tried this Hydro color before, so this was a great way for me to try it out without like fully committing to something, without knowing how it works and if I would actually use it or not. Another thing that I really like is how the Inky box features different artists, so it's really promoting the small business mentality and just helping out other artists. I think it's really cool. So I got two of the cards and I get the worksheet. That's really neat in my opinion. Like I said earlier, you don't have to be into lettering to want to subscribe to this box. I had actually looked into this a little while ago and I was really contemplating whether or not I wanted to buy it. I know I've seen other subscription boxes, but I wasn't really a huge fan of them. I didn't really think it was worth the cost. This one I really considered because I thought the cost was really effective. So if you're on the fence and you want to try it out, use the code BETTER15 for 15% off your first purchase. And I can't guarantee you'll be happy, but I mean, I can almost guarantee you'll be happy. I think that I have to say the Fine Tech and the Hydro colors are my favorite, and maybe that's just because I love the shimmer. But anyway, thanks for watching this unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you'll come back for more.